Hello and welcome back to my channel Inspire with Anushka. Guys, how are you? Hope you all are fine. As we all are discussing about the topics of water pollution. In the previous video we have discussed about the water pollution or water pollutants both. And now in this video we are going to discuss about the effects of water pollution on the man and animals. So pollution of water causes the epidemic of the fatal diseases such as the cholera, typhoid, dysentery, diarrhea, etc. When aquatic animals affected by the chemicals or radioisotopes are consumed by the men, these substances find their way into the human body, causing many disorders. So guys, man drinking the substance polluted water suffered by the gastrointestinal disorders and the lung cancer also. Guys, water pollution causes widespread damage to the aquatic life also. Fishes and other aquatic animals leads the uncomfortable life in the polluted sewage water. The deposit of the industrial waste contains the toxic substance that causes the elimination of plants and aquatic animals, that is maybe of the zooplanktons or the phytoplanktons. Dust and dirt affects the adversity of the aquatic life. In edible fishes, salmon is unable to spawn in silted water. Mercury compounds is the code of the certain fungicides. This causes high mortality rate in the fishes. Thermal pollutants affects the adversity to the aquatic life. Eutrophication, guys, here a term eutrophication comes. It is a natural phenomena seen in the lakes and tank. The nitrous of the phosphate dissolved in the water accelerate the growth of the microorganism. These consumes may of the dissolved oxygen deprive fishes and other aquatic life. And the next term which you get in this is the biological magnification. It is the increase of the toxic materials in such a trophic levels of the foods and industrial waste containing the toxic substance like the arsenic, cadmium, lead, zinc, copper, mercury and cyanide, salts, acids and alkalis. These days pesticides and biocides are commonly used to kill the pest insect in the orchard or crop fields. The pesticides used to find their way into the water bodies like ponds and rivers, lakes, etc. These are absorbed by the lower organism and enter in the various food chain. At each stage, concentration of the pesticides increases, and this increase in the concentration of the pesticides and other toxic substance into the different members of the food chain is known as what? Biological magnification. So guys, for example, DDT, you have heard about the DDT and which maybe gets spreaded in your home also. So after researching a stream of rivers in the absorbed by the microorganism on which the smaller fishes feed, from them DDT reaches to the carnivorous fishes, and since bigger fishes consume more food, more and more DDT accumulates in the body and it becomes unite in the form of human consumption when these fishes are gotten by the member of the higher trophic level, that is consumer, the topmost consumer. So this causes the very harmful toxic in the highest trophic level. Guys, this is all about the harmful effects of the water pollution. Hope you all have understand it. And impact of water pollution on the living organism, we have discussed this topic for man and plants both. So harmful effects of water pollution can be recalled as the polluted water can cause many diseases like the cholera, diarrhea, typhoid, gastrointestinal hepatitis, that is jaundice, diarrhea and skin diseases in the human beings, and contamination of river, lakes, etc. with heavy metals like the lead, mercury, copper, nickel, etc. can harm both aquatic animal and human being also. Guys, this is and eutrophication and biological magnification. These are the four different main points that is affecting the water pollution, and that water pollution affects towards the us or towards our environment. So these are the harmful effects of the water pollution. Guys, hope you all have understand the whole concept. If you have any problem in it, then please put it or write it down in the comment section. Definitely I will go through it and I will try to sort out all of that. And one thing I like to say, that I think I have provided you the matters which I have collected for you, and maybe it will justify with the data which you are investing on watching my video. So thank you so much for giving your precious time to me. If you have liked this video, then please press the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for giving your love and concern to me. Love you guys.